Two pandas made a deal. One made money, other lost everything. But both did the same trade. How is that possible? Imagine this. Today, banana price is 10 leaves. Two pandas think price will go up. First panda chooses futures. Panda says, I will buy banana after 1 month, for 10 leaves. No choice later, deal is fixed. After 1 month, banana price becomes 20. Panda buys at 10. Market is 20. Profit equals 10 leaves. But what if banana price becomes 5? Panda still has to buy at 10. Loss equals 5 leaves. Futures equals no escape. Second panda chooses options. Panda says, I want the option to buy, but not obligation. I pay small fee, just in case. After 1 month, banana price becomes 20. Panda uses option, buys at 10. Profit equals big. But if price falls to 5, Panda says, no thanks. Loss equals only small fee. So the difference is simple. Futures equals must buy or sell. Options equals choice to buy or not. Futures equals high risk, high reward. Options equals limited risk, flexible reward. Smart Panda doesn't just predict price. Smart Panda manages risk. In the jungle, the richest panda is not always right, but survives the longest.